We guide you through how to edit Facebook Messenger auto reply. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Facebook page and go to Meta Business Suite. Then click on Inbox and look for the Automations tab. Here, you'll see options like Instant Reply and Away Message. Choose the one you want to edit. Click Edit, then update your message text. Keep it short, clear, and friendly. For example, include your business name, response time, and a quick help prompt. You can also personalize it using dynamic fields like the customer's name, and once done, click Save or Publish. Now, test it by sending a message to your page to make sure it works properly. If you want more control, you can set schedules for when the auto reply turns on or off. And that's it. Your Facebook Messenger auto reply is now updated and ready to respond automatically to your audience.